Morning, everyone. So first of all, I would like to say that I'm very happy to participate to this project and also happy to be here to once again to be able to visit labs, discuss with people and meet all of you. So very briefly, I'm going to present the project Microalgae High Rate Production by Optimizing Biofilm-Based Systems. So the project will be carried out by David, that is here. And so 2 labs from Central Supélec will participate to it, and in collaboration with Olivier from INRIA. So very briefly, what are biofilms? So in this case, microalgae, but organisms in general, they stick on a surface and they start developing on it and producing this jelly, what you see here, the jelly layer. So what is important is that they really present a very heterogeneous structure, and their activity and structure is affected by a lot of factors and operational factors like light or hydrodynamics. And what is important to keep in mind is that productivity will be affected by them. So I go very fast. As you all know, what is the interest of biofilms? Biofilm systems are, we have a easy harvesting and our lower water and energy demands, and we can get a much higher productivity compared to the conventional systems. So in the lab, we are obviously interested to all kinds of microalgae systems, but now we are working a lot on biofilms, and we are developing microscale and macroscale reactors. So what do we do? Okay. So we have the microorganisms, algae. We develop them in the form of biofilms in homemade reactors of different sizes. Afterwards, we characterize them, for instance, structure, by using confocal laser, microscope, or tomography. We have our own image analysis to get some information like properties like roughness, thickness. We do also a lot of offline measurements like infrared spectroscopy or oxygen evolution. And the goal is, first is understanding, obviously, and after modeling with the data we get, and also developing control systems. So we do that with partners, and once again, why? To understand, to produce, and also to struggle against biofilm that we have in photobioreactors, for instance. So let's now talk about the project. So we will have an approach that is combining experimental modeling and control. We are going to use this kind of reactors, rotating reactors, and so cells will be exposed to light and to darkness. And so we are going to study biofilm formation under different conditions. So we are looking at, for instance, the velocity. And we will develop online sensors to monitor this biofilm growth with the help of colleagues from Hanover. And concerning modeling and control, so in modeling, we are going to develop a model from the cell and to the bioreactor scale, and afterwards a control strategy to maintain the bioreactor at optimal conditions. Obviously, at the very end, what we want is to maximize productivity. So that's all, and thank you for your attention.